Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word Biennium. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The budget is set for the upcoming biennium, covering expenses for the next 2 fiscal years. A biennium refers to a period of 2 years, commonly used in financial planning and budgeting to cover expenses and projections over a 2-year span. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.